Today we're checking out White Castle because we've never had White Castle.
Nope.
And they just opened up one here in Orlando, and it's new, like the last month or so, I think.
Something like that.
So we're gonna see what all the hype's about. It's like almost 12 o'clock and there's already like, the parking is packed, the line for the drive-thru is super long. This place is definitely hyped. So we're very curious to see. Also, Portillo's is right there that way. So I'm guessing they share.
It's a new spot too.
And is Portillo's new too?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to check out Portillo's next time. This is part of the drive-thru line right now. And it goes back all the way that way. There's Portillo's, there's a new building being built right there, so I'm wondering what that's gonna be. And then we got White Castle over here. Let's see how long the wait is to get our food. It's right now 11:45.
You want any sauce, my brother?
Can we get ranch? If there is? Okay. Alright, so we have our food here, and everything is so tiny. This is my hand, and everything is just like little, it feels like baby food, like, I don't know, like little kid toddler style food, but I'm excited. We got the chicken and waffle with cheese and bacon. We got the original.
Yeah.
We got crispy chicken and cheese. We got the onion chips. We got, I think this is another original. This is the bacon and cheese slider. I'm not sure what, wait.
We got 2 bacon and cheese sliders. But I
Oh,
only
we
see
did.
one.
I think yeah.
So they did something with.
Oh, this
no,
one has
is it.
bacon. Okay,
Is it?
so
Okay.
this is the original. That one's bacon.
Right.
And then we have here little tater tots, some ranch. By the way, we were looking it up, and you found out that this is the biggest White Castle.
Largest in the world.
The largest White Castle in the world. So now I get what the big deal is about this.
And the first one in Florida since the 1960s.
The first one in Florida. Wow.
Also, I've heard, I don't know if this is true, but this is one of the only locations that use fresh beef. I don't know if that's true though. Might be wrong about that.
I gotta try one of these onion chips.
Need to try this original.
Is it good? The onion chips taste like onion rings, but a little bit more breaded, maybe a little bit more crispy. Also, all of this was 15 bucks, which I think is like very cheap. Okay, I'm excited to try this little bacon and cheese slider. Bacon and cheese. There's a pickle in here.
Uh-oh.
Actually, it's pretty good. I don't even like pickles. It's good.
It's good? Then maybe you like pickles.
No. Certain pickles I don't like. I don't know. It depends on the burger, I guess. Tater tot test. Also, I wanted to get the chicken rings. They have like chicken that's like onion rings. But we'll have to come back another time. They also have dessert on a stick, and it's like they have like cheesecake on a stick.
Also for the burgers, they had different options in cheeses.
Oh yeah?
They had like jalapeno,
I didn't
what
notice.
is it? Pepper jack, pepper jack, is that it?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
I like how they all come in their own little like. It's weird not going for French fries, but they have so many like other options that you don't see in other fast food places. But I am curious to know what their French fries taste like, and I'm very curious to know what this waffle. I've never seen like. This is like interesting. We just never see this. What I think is weird is that the chicken and waffle. I thought I asked for cheese.
I don't remember hearing you.
So it looks so dry. Like it looks like
You're
there's
supposed to put syrup on it though.
no, they
No?
don't give you syrup. Oh, let's see.
I don't know.
It needs cheese. This one needs like a sauce or cheese or something because it feels like, I don't know, not dry, but I got my little chicken cheese. It's interesting, but
Has the maple flavor in it.
but doesn't it need like,
Yeah.
there's like this truck going around every time.
A lot of construction here.
I definitely think that the burgers, like their meat, is better than their chicken. They also have fish,
Yeah.
but I don't know about that. Comment down below, have you tried White Castle? What was your favorite? What is your favorite slider? What do you think of White Castle? I'm not obsessed, but it's good. But I'm not like, oh my god, like we have to come back every single time. But like,
It's good.
but it's good. I like the slider concept because there's like little mini versions. I like that. I don't have to commit to like one burger. Like I can have little mini versions. But yeah, I don't know.
So this place was a little quicker. I can definitely see the
It
convenience.
took, by the way, half an hour in total.
Well, I get it. A lot of people want to come here. You know.
But yeah, overall, it's still worth checking out. Toodaloo.